Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn with Akash. I am Hitoishi and today I will be going to teach you the second chapter that is there in our first semester named as Religion and Society. So what is religion? Religion means dharm. Okay, let us know the definition first. Religion is a system of beliefs, rituals and values concerned with the sacred or the divine forces. So religion is a system, उसमें क्या है, वैल्यूज है, कुछ रिचुअल्स है और कुछ बिलीव्स है जो कि ना सैक्रेड और डिवाइन फोर्सेस से रिलेटेड है, रिलेटिंग टू गॉड. ठीक है. देन वी हैव डेफिनेशन ऑफ बिलीव्स. बिलीव्स का मतलब है भरोसा या फिर आस्था. तो बिलीव्स रेफर टू अ कॉग्निटिव स्टेट ऑफ माइंड वेयर सम पर्सन places his or her trust on another person or a thing. ठीक है. You can note down these definitions if you are required to. ठीक है. Then we have superstition. Superstitions refer to belief in supernatural causality without any direct link between the cause and effect relationship. It is contrary to natural science. सुपरस्टिशंस का मतलब सबको पता है क्या है कि अंधविश्वास. आप लोग ने सुना होगा कुछ अंधविश्वास ऐसे है कि अगर कोई काली बिल्ली रास्ता क्रॉस करती है तो कुछ देर के लिए रुक जाया करे. क्यों? दिस इज अ सुपरस्टिशन. व्हाई शुड आई स्टॉप इफ अ कैट क्रॉसेस आवर रोड, राइट? द कैट हैज टू क्रॉस हिज और हर रोड, सो इट्स अ सुपरस्टिशन फॉर मी एटलीस्ट. बट क्या करे, कोई सोचता है तो रुक जाते हैं. देन वी हैव टैबू. टैबू इज अ प्रैक्टिस दैट इज प्रोहिबिटेड और रेस्ट्रिक्टेड बाय सोशल और रिलीजियस कस्टम. टैबू इज अ थिंग दैट इज मतलब एक प्रैक्टिस है जो कि ना रेस्ट्रिक्टेड है कुछ सोसाइटी में या कुछ रिलीजियन में. ठीक है. वो आप अगर आप उस रिलीजियन से हो तो आप वो नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. दैट इज नोन एज टैबू. Then we come to the relationship between religion and science. So there is a continuous conflict between religion and science. Let us know. Religion is incompatible with science and there is a continuous conflict between them. While science is based on evidence, मतलब proof, but religion is based on faith, विश्वास के ऊपर. ठीक है. According to science, all events occur due to natural causes. कोई ना कोई logic रहता है. But whereas on the other hand, religion believes that behind every incident there is a power, divine power. Science believes in what it sees. जो वो देखता है, science उसी पे भरोसा करता है. That believes in that. Science helps in solving the day-to-day problems in our life, but religion deals with more realistic objects. Religion believes in what it believes. उसका जो भरोसा है वो उसी पे विश्वास करता है. ठीक है. Religion. Though science has failed to solve all the problems in our life, the importance of religion can't be denied. Religion is important as there is suffering in life. ठीक है. There is a huge difference and conflict between science and religion. So if you want, I can give you a notes on this, means the relationship between religion and science. Then we come to the theories of religion. We have 3 theories of religion. The first one is animism, the second one is naturism, the third one is totemism. I repeat, first one is animism, second one is naturism and the third one is totemism. So what is animism? Animism refers to a belief in soul or ancestral beliefs. Animism refers to soul, means atma or ancestral spirits. It is a theory of religion propagated by E.B. Taylor. Now, he believed that religion originated and was maintained on the belief of soul, ghosts and ancestral spirits. E.B. Taylor का मानना है कि religion is maintained by soul, means आत्माएं और भूत प्रेत and ancestral spirits. This is the idea of animism. Then we have naturism, that is very simple. Naturism is the belief that the forces of nature have supernatural power. Forces of nature means प्राकृतिक force. उनका भी कोई supernatural power है. This is the belief of naturism. Then we have totemism. Totemism is a form of tribal religious beliefs in which people believe that they may have descended from animate or inanimate objects. These objects may range from being plants, animals, persons to even stones and rocks. टोटेमिज्म यूजुअली ट्राइबल पीपल्स में पाया जाता है. ठीक है, तो उनका मानना है कि दे हैव ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स या फिर एनिमल्स या फिर पर्सन, बट इट कैन रेंज अप टू स्टोन्स एंड रॉक्स. मतलब वो ये भी मानते हैं कि शायद वो लोग का ओरिजिनेशन है फ्रॉम रॉक्स या फिर स्टोन्स. ठीक है, इट कैन बी animate object or inanimate objects, means living thing or non-living thing. This is the belief of totemism. Then we have the three functional theories of religion, that is of Malinowski, Radcliffe Brown and Durkheim. So first we come to Malinowski's theory of religion, functional theory of religion. According to Malinowski, religion performs a significant task in the economic lives of the tribes, of the tribal people. When a tribe islander goes for fishing expeditions, religion provides them relief from stress and tension. This is the belief. This is according to Malinowski. ठीक है, कि tribal people have relief, उनको relief मिलता है टेंशन से और स्ट्रेस से ड्यू टू रिलीजियन. सो thus they consider religion as a means of adjustment which saves them from tension. उनका मानना है कि रिलीजियन उन लोग को स्ट्रेस और टेंशन से बचाता है. ठीक है, बट whereas Radcliffe Brown considers that religion makes the individual dependent upon the society. अब क्या है, रैडक्लिफ ब्राउन का मानना क्या है, वो गया मैलिनोव्स्कीज. ठीक है, अब रैडक्लिफ ब्राउन का ये मानना है कि रिलीजियन एक आदमी को, इट मेक्स पर्सन डिपेंडेंट ऑन रिलीजियन. ठीक है, और सोसाइटी. ठीक है, सो thus the religion helps in maintaining social life and social order. Thus Malinowski was a functionalist and Radcliffe Brown was a structural functionalist in relation to the analysis of religion. Then we have our last theory of function, that is of Durkheim's totemism. ठीक है, Durkheim observed totemism as being the simplest and most basic form of religion among the aborigines of Australia. The totemic object is worshipped and considered to be sacred. मतलब tribal people ये मानते थे कि उनका जो टोटेमिक ऑब्जेक्ट या फिर ऑब्जेक्ट है या फिर कोई एनिमल या प्लांट, एज आई सेड बिफोर, सो अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है तो वो लोग उसका पूजा करते हैं और उसको पवित्र मानते हैं. ठीक है, दे कंसिडर दैट टोटेमिक ऑब्जेक्ट एज सैक्रेड एंड वर्शिप इट. Totemic objects are not only important for the people as religion but also associated with the clan membership. Means totemic object is important to tribal people and also to the clans. Clans means group of some tribal people. ठीक है, every clan has a totem which could be an animal or a plant or a person or a inanimate object, means non-living thing, stone या rock. ठीक है, the tribe is reverent towards the totemic objects and adopts its names and offers sacrifice to it. Sacrifice means वो लोग बलिदान भी देते हैं उस टोटेमिक ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए. ठीक है, totem is not always allowed, although eating of totem is allowed during special occasions. अगर कुछ एनिमल हो तो eating of that is allowed during only the occasions. The loss of a totem is mourned ceremoniously. जैसे अगर कोई हम लोग का क्लोज रिलेटिव या कोई, if someone has its death, जैसे हम लोग सेरेमनी करके उनका डेथ का मोर्न करते हैं, वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी अगर टोटेम का लॉस हो जाता है, इफ द टोटेम इज डेड लाइक एनिमल और प्लांट, If they lost the totem, then they mourned ceremoniously. ठीक है? So आज का वीडियो इतना तक ही. We have discussed 2 points from our scope of religion and society. 2 more points are left to be discussed, which we will discuss in our next video. If you want to write any definitions, you can surely reverse back the video and you can write it down. Also, if you have any doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. I will try my best to clarify all your doubts. Till then, subscribe the channel and also do share this video with all your humanities students, and also keep watching Learn with Akash.